Welcome to Math-o-tropism. This video is a part of the CC series which is dedicated to clearing the common confusions children have during solving problems. So today's problem which we are going to address is, how is 2 by 5 greater than 2 by 8? Generally, if they give fractions like this, we will be thinking that 2 by 8 will be greater. But I will now tell you how we are arriving at 2 by 5 greater than 2 by 8. Let us assume we have a bar of chocolate, and as you can see, this has been divided into pieces, and if we count, this chocolate bar has 24 pieces. Now assume if you are eating the whole bar, then how many pieces would you have got? You would have got 24 pieces because you will be eating all the 24 pieces. Now assume that you are sharing it equally with your sibling. Sibling means a brother or a sister. So how many pieces are you going to get? Since you are going to share it equally, it means half of 24 is what you will get. So it is nothing but 24 divided by 2, which means you are going to get 12. Next, we will be sharing it with our parents. So if you are sharing it equally with your parents, then how many pieces will you get? Now your parents, both mother, father and you are 3 in number. So I have to divide 24 in such a way that all 3 of you get the same number of pieces. So it will be 24 divided by 3, which means 8 pieces. Assume now you are going to share it whole family. That is, you are going to share it with your brother or sister and your parents. So now how many people are there totally who will be getting 24 pieces? It will be yourself, your brother or sister and your parents. So totally 4 numbers. So if 4 members of the family are going to divide this chocolate bar into pieces equally, then you will have 24 divided by 4, which means you will be getting only 6 pieces. So what do we observe here? We observe that when you ate alone, you were able to eat more pieces compared to when you were eating with your sibling, and that is further reducing when you are eating it along with your parents. What we can arrive is, as the number of people sharing a bar is increasing, the number of pieces they get is decreasing. So if I write it in terms of fractions, what will happen? First, there were 24 pieces divided by 1 because you all were the only one who were eating. Then 24 by 2, then 24 by 3, and then finally we did 24 by 4. And we have seen from the pieces we got that 24 divided by 1 is greater than 24 divided by 2, which is greater than 24 divided by 3, which is greater than 24 divided by 4. When you observe these fractions, we see that the numerator has remained the same, but the denominator, as it has changed, the inequality is coming into picture, where the bottom number, that is the denominator, which is the smallest, is that fraction is the greatest fraction. So as the denominator increases, the value of the fraction is going to decrease, provided we have the same numerator. What do you mean by same numerator? The same thing is divided in different ways. If I take 2 by 5 and 2 by 7, I can see that 2 is going to be divided among 5, or 2 is going to be divided among 7. As we have seen earlier, the smaller number you will get a bigger share. So 2 by 5 will be greater than 2 by 7. Hope this cleared your doubts. So always see, if the numerators are the same and the denominators are different, the smaller number denominator will be the bigger fraction. Thank you.